hockey. Serial number NE959.
Sorry.
293.
2293.
2293. My bad.
Yeah, you're right. You're bad.
Yeah. Not really though. First pack.
Sorry about that, guys. Starting off with the hit for the Ottawa Senators, a rookie of Patrick Warsiach. Sorry.
Warsiach.
Warsiach. Look at the bases. Pack number 2.
Oh, nice.
Cool. Mark Stahl and Brandon Dubinsky. It's a
That's
dual
Mark
patch.
Stahl's number 2. That'll bring up the value. Here, let's get that in camera this time.
100 tandems.
Sorry, guys.
Nice.
Nice 2-color patch. Out of 50, I believe.
Yep.
And Maxime Talbot base. Oh, that's a patch. Oh, we'll take it slowly. Why is he cold?
Oh, this is just nasty.
Is it? Oh my god.
It's absolutely nasty.
Oh my god.
So
There's
we
that
know who
Lundqvist
it
I was
is.
asking for. Oh my. Nasty indeed. 1 out of 3?
No, it's like 15, I think.
Really? That's weird.
10 out of 15.
That's weird. It's gold. That's just incredible though.
Lots of
Look
breaks.
at the breaks. Look at the colors.
3 color.
That's the most colors you can get because the Rangers only offer 3 colors.
It's a sick.
Incredible card. At least 50 to $100 there. Plus, I know a friend who absolutely loves the New York Rangers, and Henrik Lundqvist is the reason why. So I'll let you know who that is. Base. Hockey Legends of Marcel Dion. Marcel Dion. Great player.
You have a rookie card of that guy, I think?
Yeah.
Couple.
Great player. So that was a sick pull. Not this one.
Derek Roy, double jersey for Buffalo.
Yeah, just about to say. So was this, but
So it looks like it's it for jerseys already.
wow, that was crazy though. That Lundqvist is sick.
One of the better hits we've had.
Yeah. Nice, another star out of 25. Erik Karlsson.
It's gold. You can see the gold foil.
Yep.
Big,
Sweet.
big fan of the gold foil.
A little bit weird.
I still have not seen a black auto
No.
of
Last
a
one we
rookie.
saw was a
JP Dumont.
JP Dumont. Nashville, obviously. Only on one team, I believe. And Kessler base.
So far, New York's killing it.
Absolutely. Nice, we got Shane Sims.
of the New York Islanders.
Dusty Islanders.
Strome got sent back. Sucks.
Yeah, poor guy. Great player though. But it's better for the player development anyway, so. Would you agree, Mike?
Just focus on the packs now.
Okay. Weird. So are we looking at rookie or legends?
Star.
Ronnie Taves. We're looking at one more pack, boys. Or girls.
It's definitely a redemption.
Base. Redemption for St. Louis.
Not a bad box at all. New York killed it.
Thanks, guys. Very nice.